one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
Today's model is Brooke. Brooke has some gorgeous eyes that I really wanted to make them pop. So this looks a bit of a summer beach vibes look that I decided to do for her. I've used 2 shades of foundations, of the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation, to cover her face. She's got beautiful skin, so not much was required at all. Bit of concealer under the eyes, not much needed at all. Just concealing on top of the eyes there to get everything perfect. A golden shade of powder, and on the eyes I've used a head over heels palette. So I've used a neutral shimmer on her eyelids, I've used a neutral brown on the socket line there, blending all the way. Very soft shades blending into each other. Using that brown just to define those eyes, the inner crease. For eyebrows, I've used an eyebrow powder in a soft light shade of brunette. Just combing those brows into place. Now what I've used is a bronze eyeliner. It's very, very soft in texture, and that's what I'm using to create that contour. Just blending it all in, and then a nice nude shade on the upper eyebrow. A matte nude shade as her highlight. For her cheeks, I've used a cream blush in a rose colour. I've used the LUSH Cosmetics mascara. I've used a nude shade of lipstick for her, and then just added a pink light lip gloss as well. For this look on the model, what we've done is used a palette called Head Over Heels, and it has all beautiful burgundies and some golds and browns and bronzes in there as well, which really brings out our model's green eyes. She's got some hazel eyes, so the green in her eyes is what we're trying to bring out. I used a bit of the Bobbi Brown foundation stick mixed in with some lighter colours to basically get the right tone for her face, skin tone. And we've also used some LUSH Cosmetics on her eye makeup as well. What are you thinking of this look? You wanted something a bit natural because you don't wear a lot of makeup. What do you think?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Fantastic. This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.
Spotlight.